Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to tell about creating references to other sheets and documents by using mouse and keyboard. First of all, let us see creating references to other sheets by using keyboard and mouse. Observe here, I have taken a Microsoft Excel workbook. Okay, uh, we know that in a Microsoft Excel workbook, by default, how many sheets are there? 3 sheets. You observe here in Excel, by default, how many sheets are there? 3 sheets. Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Okay. Here we are referencing in between the sheets. The first topic is creating references to other sheets by using mouse and keyboard. Okay, na? Right. See here, here we have 3 sheets. You observe here sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and the workbook name is create. We are in the Excel create file. In that, how many sheets are there? Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. In that, right now we are in the sheet 1. So now we are referring these values to sheet 3. Okay, our topic is creating references to other sheets by using mouse as well as keyboard. So here I have taken a file, Microsoft Excel file. In that we have sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Right now we are in the sheet 1. Okay, now I am referring these values to sheet 3. Okay, so now let us see the procedure how to refer in between the sheets. Okay, right. First of all, to which sheet you are referring the values, we have to open that sheet. So from sheet 1, in sheet 1 we have the values. From sheet 1 to sheet 3 we are referring the values. That's why we have to open sheet 3, and here you have to select the cell. That means in which cell you want to refer that sheet 1 values. For example, here I am taking so D5. That means whatever the values are there in sheet 1, that values I am referring in sheet 3 in the cell D5 first. Okay, right. After that, select the cell. After that, so we have to give the equal sign in that cell. In which cell, so we are referring the values. Select the cell first. After that, we have to give the equal sign. After that, so go back to the sheet 1. Okay, so go back to the sheet 1. Here you observe, go back to the sheet 1. Here you observe which value we want to refer. For example, I want to refer 500 value. This is, we are in sheet 1 and we are referring this value to sheet 3. Okay, right. Clear? Now, so we have to click on, okay, first you have to click on that cell. Which cell you are referring? 500 we are referring, na? So click on that cell. Okay, after that you observe here in formula bar one formula is came. After that, here you have to click on this enter symbol. Here you have to click on this enter symbol. Okay, on this symbol you have to click. Okay, enter symbol. See here. So now what happens? Which cell you want to, which value you want to refer, that value will come into sheet 3 whenever I press on enter. See, you observe here carefully. See, we are in sheet now, we are in sheet 1. Okay, so we are referring this value to sheet 3. So click on, you observe here, this is the cell we have selected D5. Okay, here you observe 500 already. Okay, so now observe the formula. This is by using mouse here, so we didn't use the keyboard. Okay, now you observe the formula here, whatever the formula is there na, is equal to sheet 1 exclamation mark and B4. That means B4 means in sheet 1 that 500 is in which cell? B4 cell, and from sheet 1 we are refer. Okay. Suppose if we want to do the same thing by using mouse, sorry, by using keyboard, for example, if we want to do by using keyboard, that means we have to enter the formula. Till now we have did with the mouse. Okay, see here. Now you observe here in sheet 3, so this value is referred 500 km. Now you observe here in sheet 1, if we want to refer the second value with keyboard, second value with the keyboard. So what is the procedure here for first value? What is the formula here? Is equal to sheet 1. That means here the address of the sheet 1, exclamation mark, and you observe here it is in B4. It is in B4. So here B4 is there. Suppose I want to refer this value with the keyboard, means this value is in B5. Okay, and sheet 1. So now you just give the formula here is equal to, that is sheet 1 exclamation mark. So now you observe here it is in B5. It is in B5. B5 and press enter. You observe here 600. Here is 600, and you observe here in sheet 3 we have referred the 600 value. Okay, so this is about by using mouse, and this is by using keyboard. Okay, so this is about, okay, this is about creating a reference to other sheets. That means from sheet 1 the values are in sheet 1, we are referred in the sheet 3. So now the next concept is creating references to other documents. Means till now we have referred in the same file in between the sheets. In between the sheets, one file is there. In between the sheets we have referred the values. Now the second topic is, here we are taking two files and we are referring the values in between two files. See here, here I am taking the first file is Excel1. You observe here Excel1. See here, this file name is Excel1. You observe here. Here I am taking two files. Okay, this is Excel1, and the next file I am taking here is Excel2. You observe here. In between these two files now I am referring. Procedure is same. Observe here. So Excel1 I am opening. Here I have three values. See here in C4, in C5, sorry, in C4, C5 and C6. These values are there in Excel1. You observe here in Excel1. So now I want to refer these values to another file that is called as Excel2. Okay, so now I am opening this file also, Excel2. You observe here this is Excel2. Okay, first you choose the cell in which cell you want to refer that values from Excel1. Okay, so now I have choose this one E4. In E4 I want to refer that values. Okay, after that give the equal sign. Okay, again go to the Excel1 file. So which file you want to refer? For example, this file, sorry, which value you want to refer, click on that value, so this value, and click on enter. So you observe here now you are in cell 2. Okay, and this one is same here. Okay, so if you want to do here by using mouse, means so whatever the formula is there, same formula you have to write here. This is by using mouse. And if you want to with the keyboard, means here C4 na, that means see here this is Excel2. In Excel1 what happened, you observe here this is different file. So this value we have referred in Excel2 file. See here Excel2 file, it is came here. Okay, the procedure is same. If you want to, for example, you observe here this is Excel1 file. If you want to this one, this value you want to refer in Excel2, means by using mouse, means Here whatever the formula is there, that is in C4. Here you have to write is equal to same formula, instead of C4 here you have to write C5. Okay, I hope you understand the concept clearly. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching this video.